Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover lost sales using abandoned cart emails in Shopify. This is a powerful strategy to bring back potential customers and increase your store's revenue. So stay till the end and let's get started. Step 1. Access the abandoned checkout section. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left menu, go to Orders Greater Than Abandoned Checkouts. Here, you'll see a list of customers who left items in their cart but didn't complete the purchase. Step 2. Enable automated abandoned cart emails. To set up automatic emails, go to Settings Greater Than Notifications and scroll down to Abandoned Checkout Emails. Click Customize Email and enable the option to send abandoned cart emails automatically. Step 3. Customize your email content. Make your email engaging by adding a personalized subject line, customer's name, and product details. You can also include a discount code to encourage them to complete the purchase. Step 4. Set the email timing. Shopify lets you choose when to send the abandoned cart email. The best time is within 1 to 6 hours after abandonment, as customers are still considering their purchase. Adjust this under Settings Greater Than Checkout. Step 5. Track and optimize your results. Monitor the conversion rate of your abandoned cart emails by checking the reports in Analytics Greater Than Marketing. If needed, tweak your email copy, offer better incentives, or test different sending times, and that's it. By following these steps, you can recover lost sales and maximize your Shopify store's revenue. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.